Teresa Maldonado Marchak, and today we're going to explore spine stretch. As you can see with Joseph Pilates demonstrating this exercise, there is full spinal flexion involved, and in this series that I'm doing through the Bone Smart Pilates lens, we're avoiding positions of the spine that round the spine, causing flexion, to address certain populations that need to avoid that. Join me in my studio as we explore an alternative. Welcome to my studio. So I'm going to share with you today a modification that uses a lot of creative license so it will not resemble the original exercise by design. I'm going to use the end of my trap table. I realize not everyone has this at their disposal, but this is what I do. Rise up on tiptoes or stand on a box and hold on to something you can suspend from, and then slowly release your feet, experiencing an elongation and a stretch of your spine. Make sure that you breathe. It should feel really, really good. If you don't have anything at home that you can try this with, just walk to your neighborhood park and use the children's playground, the monkey bars, and you can suspend yourself from that and get the same experience of elongation and separation between your lower ribs and your hip bones, your pelvis.